Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Tower Federal Credit Union account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link www.towerfcu.org. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Tower Federal Credit Union. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options like banking, credit cards, mortgages, loans, etc. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have the account yet, you can click on this option, sign up for digital banking, and you'll be able to sign up for a new account. If you already have the account, all you have to do is enter your username and password. Click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on this option, forgot username, and you'll be able to recover it. Likewise, if you've forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forgot password, and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen, and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Tower Federal Credit Union account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.